Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to split your screen on Windows 11. First, there's a setting that needs to be enabled. Go to the bottom of Windows and tap on the Start button. Then, tap on Settings. Ensure that System is selected and scroll down to find the Multitasking option. Tap on it and make sure Snap Windows is enabled. Turn it on if it's not already. Next, click on the downward arrow to expand more options. Now, open a window, for example, Notepad. Hover your mouse over the button between the Minimize and Close buttons at the top right. You'll see different layout options. For a split screen, click on the layout that divides the screen into two parts. Choose which window you want on the other side, like Browser. If you want more layouts, hover over the same button again and choose another option, like the quad example for 4 different screens at once. To resize the windows, click the middle button again to make it full screen. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. See you next time.